Hello, welcome to our channel AAAAS.
Learn Excel with Amna. In today's video, we will learn about how we can bold, italic, or how we can apply underline on our font. So let's start. I will open Excel new worksheet. Okay. Now, firstly, I will tell you today we will learn about bold, italic, and underline. So let's start. Now, I will write over some words. Like I'm writing names. Okay. Now I want to bold this writing. I will select all and there is a option B meaning bold. Click on it. Now you can see it will be bold. Now again select all and again click on B so you can see it will be normal. Now I will show you. Now I have been selected all. Click on B. You can see it has been bold. Again I will click on it. It is unbold. Now I want to learn about italics. So what will we do? Select this all. Go to in ribbon and there is a I option mean italic. Click on it. It will be turn it into right side. Click again. It will be straight. Yeah, now you can see the letters are also changed like A and this, okay? Now I want to make them underline. So simply in ribbon there is option U and single line. Click on it. You can see there is a single line. There is the option this. Click on it. It will be double underline, okay? Now I want single underline, so there will be single underline. Or if you want a double underline, so there will be double underline, okay? Now save your file anywhere. Thanks for watching us. If you have any query, please let me know in comments.